Losing fat while preserving muscle is a common fitness goal that many strive for. It's about achieving a leaner, more defined physique that not only looks good, but feels strong and healthy. This approach differs from simply losing weight, which can often include unwanted muscle loss. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for overall health, metabolic function, and long-term fitness. It also contributes to a more aesthetically pleasing physique, enhancing your body's natural shape. This guide presents a comprehensive step-by-step approach to help you achieve this balance. It emphasizes the importance of a balanced lifestyle, incorporating both diet and exercise. It combines targeted nutrition strategies with effective workout routines tailored to your goals. The guide also highlights the crucial role of rest, recovery, and hydration in your fitness journey. These elements work synergistically to optimize body composition and overall well-being. Achieving this balance requires a nuanced understanding of several key factors. It's not just about hitting the gym and cutting calories. It's about a holistic approach. It's about making informed choices that support both fat loss and muscle retention, ensuring long-term success. We'll explore the science behind these processes. Breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand information will also provide practical tips for implementing these strategies into your daily life seamlessly. This ultimate guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to succeed. You can achieve your desired physique while maintaining a healthy lifestyle that you enjoy. It's about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good and living a balanced life. We'll debunk common myths and address potential pitfalls that could hinder your progress. This will ensure a sustainable and successful journey towards your fitness goals, making the process enjoyable and rewarding. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in achieving the desired balance between muscle retention and overall health. Consuming sufficient protein is paramount for muscle preservation, especially when engaging in regular physical activity. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, ensuring that your muscles recover and strengthen after workouts. Aim for a daily intake of around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to support muscle maintenance and growth. This can be achieved through lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, which are all excellent sources of high-quality protein. In addition to protein, complex carbohydrates are essential for fueling workouts and providing the energy needed for daily activities. They provide sustained energy and prevent muscle breakdown, making them a crucial part of any balanced diet. Choose whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over refined carbohydrates to ensure a more gradual release of energy and better nutrient intake. These foods are richer in nutrients and help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Healthy fats are also crucial for hormone production and overall health, playing a significant role in muscle retention. Incorporate sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your diet to benefit from their essential fatty acids. These provide essential fatty acids that support various bodily functions, including muscle maintenance and overall well-being. Don't restrict calories too drastically, as this can lead to muscle loss and decreased energy levels. A moderate caloric deficit is optimal for fat loss without sacrificing muscle. Allowing for a healthier and more sustainable approach, aim for a deficit of 250 to 500 calories per day to achieve gradual fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. This allows for gradual fat loss while providing enough energy to maintain muscle mass and support overall health and fitness goals. Resistance training is the cornerstone of muscle preservation during fat loss. It helps maintain muscle mass while you shed those extra pounds, ensuring that your body remains strong and toned. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Examples include squats, which target your legs, glutes, and core; deadlifts, which engage your back, legs, and core; bench presses for chest, shoulders, and triceps; and overhead presses that work your shoulders and arms. These exercises stimulate muscle growth and strength development, making them essential for any effective workout routine. Incorporate a mix of heavy lifting and higher rep sets. This variety challenges your muscles in different ways. Heavy lifting promotes strength and muscle fiber recruitment, which is crucial for building a solid foundation of strength. Higher rep sets increase muscle endurance and metabolic stress, helping you to push through longer workouts and burn more calories. This combination maximizes muscle growth and fat burning. Don't neglect cardiovascular exercise, as it plays a vital role in overall fitness. Cardio helps create a calorie deficit and improves overall fitness. Incorporate activities like running, which boosts cardiovascular health; swimming, which is great for full body conditioning; or cycling, which strengthens your legs and improves endurance. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, keeping the intensity moderate. This ensures you get the benefits without overtraining. Prioritize proper form and technique over lifting heavy weights. Good form prevents injuries and ensures that the targeted muscles are effectively engaged. This prevents injuries and ensures that the targeted muscles are effectively engaged. Working with a trainer can help you perfect your technique. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load. As you get stronger, this progressive approach helps you build strength safely and effectively. Rest and recovery are just as crucial as exercise and nutrition. Adequate sleep allows the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows for optimal hormone production and muscle recovery. Allow sufficient rest between workouts. Don't overtrain, as this can lead to muscle breakdown and hinder progress. Give each muscle group at least 48 hours of rest before training it again. again. Incorporate active recovery methods like stretching and foam roll. These activities improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and promote blood flow. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Don't push through pain or exhaustion. Rest allows your body to recover and adapt to the training stimulus. Hydration plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including muscle preservation. Water helps transport nutrients to muscle cells and remove waste products. It also regulates body temperature and lubricates joints. Aim to drink at least half a gallon of water per day. Increase intake during and after workouts to replenish fat. Fluids lost through sweat. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day to stay consistently hydrated. Monitor your urine color as an indicator of hydration status. Pale yellow urine indicates adequate hydration. Electrolytes are also important for maintaining fluid balance. Consume electrolyte-rich drinks or foods, especially during intense workouts. Consistency is key to achieving long-term results. Stick to your nutrition and workout plan consistently. Don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks. Progress takes time and patience. Don't expect overnight results. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes. Celebrate small victories along the way. This helps maintain motivation and reinforces positive habits. Track your progress to monitor changes in body composition and strength. This provides objective feedback and helps identify areas for improvement. The body utilizes complex mechanisms to regulate muscle mass. Protein synthesis and protein breakdown are two opposing processes. Muscle growth occurs when protein synthesis exceeds protein breakdown. Resistance training stimulates muscle protein synthesis. It creates microscopic tears in muscle fibers, which then repair and grow stronger. Adequate protein intake provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. It also helps minimize muscle protein breakdown during periods of caloric restriction. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone play a significant role in muscle growth and preservation. Resistance training and adequate sleep promote the release of these anabolic hormones. Prepare meals in advance to ensure adherence to your nutrition plan. Pack healthy snacks to avoid unhealthy food choices when on the go. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness community for support and motivation. This can help maintain accountability and make the process more enjoyable. Set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. This prevents overwhelm and promotes a sense of accomplishment. Prioritize stress management techniques like meditation or yoga. Stress can elevate cortisol levels, which can lead to muscle breakdown. Avoid crash dieting or extreme calorie restriction. This can lead to muscle loss and metabolic slowdown. Don't neglect resistance training. Cardio alone is not sufficient for preserving muscle mass. Don't overtrain. Allow sufficient rest and recovery between workouts to prevent muscle breakdown. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your individual achievements. Lifting weights will make women bulky. This is a common myth. Women generally don't have the same hormonal profile as men. This makes it significantly more difficult for them to build large amounts of muscle mass. Cardio is the best way to lose fat. While cardio can contribute to fat loss, it's not the most effective approach for preserving muscle. Resistance training is essential for women. For maintaining muscle mass while losing fat, supplements are necessary for muscle growth, while supplements can be helpful. They are not essential. Focus on a balanced diet and consistent training. Spot reduction is possible. Unfortunately, you can't target fat loss in specific areas of your body. Fat loss occurs throughout the entire body. Achieving sustainable fat loss while preserving muscle requires a holistic approach. It involves a combination of balanced nutrition, effective workout strategies, adequate rest and recovery, and consistent hydration. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can transform your physique while maintaining optimal health and well-being. Remember that consistency and patience are key to achieving long-term results. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.